It turns out that different types of olive have different types of cancer-fighting properties. Yeah, so when we go out to have olive oil in the United States, we kind of look at almost all olive oils and frankly olives to be very similar. They may taste a little bit different, but we think generally they're all the same. Not true. It turns out that different types of olive have different types of cancer-fighting properties. So for example, there are 3 super olives. One of them is from Spain called the Picual olive, used in most Spanish olive oils, in fact. Another one's from Italy, particularly in Umbria, the Umbria region. There's actually an olive called the Moriolo olive. And then in Greece, which is the other great place for olive oils, there's the Koroneiki olive, which is actually made with Kalamata olives. It's very similar to Kalamata olives. The oil made from these 3 olives have some of the highest levels of cancer-fighting polyphenols, which are the cancer-fighting and antioxidant materials, ingredients inside olive oil. And so now you think about what you use olive oil for. You can use it to season food. You can use it to dip bread. You can actually cook with it. And so there's so many things to do with olive oil. You can hardly think of a dish that you couldn't actually cook or season with it.